You did good. It says breaking.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop.
Really clean. Ooh. Hey, this time it's slam. If you want a video, I'll give you one. I won't be eating my breakfast this time. I won't eat my banana nut muffin and shit. I got yelled at. You know, Melissa Hall told me I'm an idiot. So why you got a muffin in your hand not paying attention? I said, I'm hungry.
How could you play my nigga? Go let me win. But it's the change
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Shane.
Okay.
I got 3 Def Bounce DSA 315s. They're wired down to 0.47 ohms, 3 coils per amp, 2 teraamps, 8Ks.
Nice.
Crossfire highs, 2000 on the 6.5s.
Okay. Wow.
400x4 on all the rest of the speakers.
And your battery's hidden behind the amp rack?
Yeah, I got the lithium bank behind the amp rack on the wiring back there.
That's good.
Dual alternator setup, 390 amp, brand X. So.
Okay. So how did you say the wiring was on the subs with the impedance being 2 subs on 3?
0.67 or 0.47 ohm. 1 coil from each sub going to 1 amp.
Got it. Oh, okay. Got it.
So I've got 3 coils per amp.
Got it. Okay. I haven't seen someone run that way. That's pretty unique. It works though.
It works.
I like it. Have you done any kind of SPL tests on it yet?
Not yet. No, I'm gonna go hit the lanes tomorrow.
Okay. And then the port tuning on that?
We tuned it to like 30, but it's actually peaking like 39 in that box, and that setup.
Yes, sir. And you have your back seats. Okay.
I have my back seats.
All right. What made you go with 3 subs?
I wanted to do 4, but after building the amp rack, I didn't have enough room for 4.
Mm-hmm.
So I just decided to go with 3. I had 2 in there previously on my last build last year, and I wanted to do 4.
Yeah.
So I have 2 extra ones, and then when
Turned out with 3 with the space.
With the space, yes.
Got it.
Because to keep in the street class, not going to modified street, I had to keep the box under the second row headrest.
Okay, got it.
They can't be taller than the back seat. So
Yes, sir. All right.
practical.
This is breaking.
Yeah.
It's out. Yeah.
I glue it down. It's my tow vehicle, and you know I barely drive this thing, but I still wanted a nice clean build, you know.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That's one thing everyone's like, we just need to do rip out the back seats. I'm like, listen, no. Like, this is my baby. It's my truck.
Yeah.
I just want something I can put people in, tow with it, and you know drive across country and listen to my bass.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I would love to hear it. I like it. Sounds good. Appreciate all the info.
Absolutely.
The money clothes got me like this. Her waistline small and that booty good. That means she done done some alcohol. Now she bout to go down. You can check my dollar line. I'ma keep some money coming. I done cut one half up. You gotta go and off all day. Cause on my necklace, get a lot of money. Put some baby on the sunlight. Baby, on the sunlight. Get a lot of money, put your baby on the sunlight. I just get the bed, get the sand, throw a shot at her. I just get the bed and the light, and throw a shot at her.
You have something that plays a little lower, or what's your limit?
I mean, I can, like 28 to 30.
Yeah. Something that you feel comfortable at, play a little lower. Yeah, I'm good with that.
Licking woofers, slapping rookies, tap. It's DJ Rusticles.
Yeah, no problem, buddy.
Good bandwidth. I like it,
Yeah,
man.
it's not bad, dude. You know,
That was pretty good bandwidth. What was the frequency range on that? It sounded pretty good. Like
that one's more in like the mid 30s.
mid 30s, yeah. It was pretty windy for a no wall too.
Yeah.
You did good, man.
Thank you.
Did a good job. Turned out nice and clean, back seats. But you did it.
Made it happen.
Nice to meet you again.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.